Colin Morgan reading for the part of John. Try to breathe deeply, okay? I'm gonna make you another one real quick. I'm glad you came to talk to me about this. I know how difficult it must have been for you to trust me. You have been through one of the most difficult things that anyone can imagine. But from now on, you don't have to go at it alone.
What?
Not anymore.
What do you mean?
What your father has done is a big crime. By law, it is a part of my job to... I have to inform other people. Other people who are going to handle the situation in a professional manner.
Don't.
They will be helping you.
Don't, please. Please don't tell.
Jane, I hear you. But this is for your own good. It's what we have to do to keep you safe.
He'll kill me if he finds out I told about this. I can't go home.
You don't have to. You won't have to. You'll be taken to a safe place.
Oh, goodness. What have I done, Sarah?
Don't worry. Don't worry. Your sister will be interrogated shortly, too. It's a part of the protocol.
What if she says nothing? You don't know him. He's evil. He will hurt her. I'm begging you. Don't let her go home.
Well, that'll depend on what she tells them. I have to make a phone call in the other room. Give me a few minutes, okay?